Welcome to our video tutorial about UProc for Sheets, a Google Sheets add-on that you can add for free to your browser to process any data using UProc platform. This add-on uses UProc technology to clean, validate, enrich, or merge any data present on your datasheet. You only need to install our add-on searching from add-ons components, add-ons menu. After that, a new sub-menu will appear inside add-ons menu. Click on UProc Open, and an authentication dialog will be shown. Follow instructions on dialog and sign up into our application to get your credentials via mail. Some balance will be added to your account after sign up. You can use this free balance to test our add-on. Complete received credentials on authentication dialog. First email, and after that API key received, and save it. After that, a sidebar will appear on your right. Now you only have to select what field do you want to improve in your datasheet. For instance, if you have lots of IP addresses and you want to discover geographical attributes of every address, you will have to select field IP from first select. And after that, choose tool location by IP on second select. After selecting the right tool, you will see tool description, cost per row and sheet, total cost, and available params. You will have to link params with right column names. If column A contains IP addresses, param IP must contain value A. When ready, push Process Data button and wait. Add-on will communicate with UProc to process your data and will create new header row if not present, add results, column names, and process all rows and add results to columns. You can process as many sheets as you want in your document, but don't forget to ensure that balance is available in your account. When finished, you can reprocess same sheet, removing header row and column values. This way, we have removed header row and now column names, and we launch again clicking on Process Data button. Again, header row will be created with column names and every row will be completed with geographical data. Take in consideration that only unique values will be charged on your account balance. This means that only unique IP addresses in our sample sheet will be charged on your account. Please check facts available in our add-ons official page at uproc.io. Leave any doubt or question in our Chrome add-on support area or use our online chat. I hope you will find useful this add-on, and remember, you only have to sign up and log in. It's completely free and you will be able to process your Google Sheets data instantly. Enjoy it!